Welcome back to the platform. Well, today in this session, we will be creating the very first AI image with all the premium features of this platform. So now we will see that what we can create and what is the best available options we have. So when after the login to this platform, I will be clicking to the image creation. So the image creation it's giving me this platform here that I can write a prompt here to create a content, right? So this is one of the options I have. So the second option I have that either I can ask this to randomly create a prompt for me, right? So I will try to ask them to create a randomly create a prompt. So this is the randomly automated prompt is given by this platform, right? So this is all the detail have been given to us. So now we will see what features, what options we have. So when it comes to the preset is the predefined features of this platform, right? So I would like to have a cinematic preset, means the look and feel and the design pattern should be cinematic, right? After selecting this feature, which is available for free as well, and here we have the preset which have been selected, so it's depending on that. So it's a preset style, it's linked to this preset style, so keep it as a cinematic itself. And then the contrast, the lighting you want, so I will be keeping it as a medium. So here we have a premium features which is comes to this apparentist subscription which I have. So in the fast, it will not be a detailed, it will not be like a detailed face expressions and the detailed artwork to this. So I will be selecting a quality as I want a quality image. Then I will be selecting the more I want is for desktop. So for the desktop, I will be selecting the size is a 16:9 ratio. If you want any other size, so you can pick the sizes, like if you want the square shape, so you will be selecting 101, right? And here you have a slider to vary depending on the ratio you want. So whatever ratio it suits to you, you can select here to get it in. So I will be using the 16:9 ratio. Well, the large option is only available for the premium user, so this is one of the premium feature also. So here we are using the quality is one of the premium feature, means the detail, it will be very detailed, and the size is neither larger, it's like already upscaled image. And then I want number two images, I want it to be create only two images, which is also a featured image. In the free we have only four options, you can only create a four, so I'll be creating at the time being two images. And then one more premium feature which is a private mode. So here I have a private mode that whatever content I have been creating, it will not be published to the community even for a free use. I want that this content to remain for my use only, so I want it to be private. Yeah. So and then after we have some advanced features. So I will be selecting a photoreal. Photoreal means it will be some realistic. It will be a more detailing and it's a more photorealistic image, right? So this is one more a premium feature which we will be using to this our first AI image. So let's see how it will be. The prompt is being given to by this platform, right? And then we are using a quality and this like this, right? So you read it. If it does not work for you this prompt, definitely you can pick the prompt which you would like to, right? So I'll be generating this prompt, which is our first AI prompt with all the premium features which we could select for this platform. And this premium features, even we can do more on top of it. So it's not I mean, it's all the premium features which we have, but after generating, yes, we can take it to the next steps also. So that we will be discussing into the so it will take some time. I will forward it. Yes. So it's being created something forest with saying something whole that was auto generated, so we could stick with the our style which we want, or we can let it be like this. So you can see that how detailing it is. So I click to the zoom, I can see that how detailed artwork is it, right? So yeah, here you can see it's a very nice forest, and then here's some flash which is fiction. I think it's very based on the fiction content, right? If you want to be rephrase it, change it, so here we can rephrase it also. But yes, this is our first AI with all the premium features. You can use it, and you can simply download it from here. It has an option to here that you can download this. I will download this, and if you want you can do a lot more features are with this, so that we will be discussing into the our upcoming sessions. Thank you.